beautiful. What's very pretty? What you doing? What you doing? Oh, honey. What is it? What is it? Is it a moth? It's the tiniest little fly you'd ever find in your life. What was that? What is it? And what's it? What is it? Don't you jump down from there. Use the chair. You're not going to get it. And what was it? What? Where you going? Hun, where you going? Oh, she's on a mission to get the fly now. That's on the roof. But never mind. Honey, it's not...